Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology. In this YouTube video, with the help of my first year EC students, I am going to discuss about the industrial applications of DC motor. As the students already studied what is meant by DC motor and how they are working and the various parts of construction, they are already studied. DC motor is electrical components which converts electrical into mechanical rotation. Now, these students will tell how these DC motors are used in various industrial applications like renewable energy sources, railway, and some of the most famous companies like washing machine mixes. Now, my student will continue.
Good morning to all. I am Vijay Banu from SNS College of Technology from ECE department. I am here to explain about DC motors. DC motor working under principle of electromagnetic induction. When a current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences a mechanical force, that is Lorentz force. The main part of DC motors are field winding, armature winding, commutators and brushes. There are two types of DC motors: DC shunt motor, DC series motor. Shunt motor means constant speed. Series motor means a high starting torque. The DC compound motor is a combination of both advantages. The control methods are flux field control, armature voltage control, armature resistance control. Then the DC motor is used for applications of demanding constant speed under varying loads.
Can you tell which principle the DC motor is working?
Electromagnetic induction.
Good. Next one, continue.
So I am Tushar of AC department. So my topic is application electric vehicles. It mainly focuses on electric mobility and transportation systems. DC motors are integral to electric vehicle propulsion because of their high torque to weight ratio and fine speed control. Brushless DC motors are widely used in modern vehicles due to its high efficiency, which normally ranges from 85 to 90%, low cost maintenance, compact design, and smooth torque generation. Controllers manage motor performance and regenerative braking systems. So there are a few case studies like Mahindra E20 and Tesla Model 3. It uses brushless DC motors and permanent magnetic motors for traction control and regenerative braking systems.
Good. Next one.
So myself Yonesh from EC department. Today my topic is about an application of railways and traction systems. It mainly focuses on the area of transportations and heavy loaded performances. And in the DC motors are mainly used in many various industries like electrical trains, trolleys and trams. In DC motors, it uses in many trains. It and mainly used in high starting torque, which helps the train to move start to move faster and with heavy loads. And it can control many speed can be controlled in many different ways like field weakening, armature voltage control and series parallel control. In field weakening, it reduces the strength of the magnetic field and it for increasing the power. Next, armature voltage control. It can be changing the voltage to control the power. Series parallel control used in more than one DC motors. It can be connected in various different parts and to managing the power and speed. Next, in many of the trains are using DC motor nowadays. The modern trains are using the AC motors. It has a less maintenance and more efficient. Next, in DC motors, they are using in several years for before they were changing to 3-phase AC motors.
Very good discussion. So based on you that the DC motors are mainly used in railway engine areas, yes, and also in robotics field.
Yes.
Next one, continue.
In the hybrid systems, DC motors are controlling energy consumption and the storage controllers. In the case examples of DC motor and case example of DC motors, solar tracker systems and these are the applications of the DC motors of the case studies examples.
Good. Next one.
Myself, I am Vishnu. I am from EC department. I am going to talk about the application of industrial automation and robotics. It's mainly focused on the precision control and automation systems. Industrial automation depends upon the accurate control of speed, position, which is achieved by the served DC motors and stepper motors. The served DC motors are used to convert the electrical energy into precious mechanical motion. It is used in the CNC motors, CNC machines, and robotic arms, and conveyor belts, and 3D printers. There I have some feedbacks, encoders and sensors use feedbacks to the controller to find the position and speed adjustments. There I have some advantages: high responsiveness, quick acceleration and deaccelerations. There are have some case examples. ABB Robotics is use of served DC motors, the high precision assembly task in the manufacturing line.
So based on your case study, we understood that the DC motor is mainly used to convert electrical energy into mechanical rotation. For example, based on Vijay Rekha discussion, we know that these DC motors are worked based on input is electrical, output is a mechanical rotation. And based on these student discussion, these DC motors are used in railway engine, robotics, some of them are used in toys, and some of them told they are used for lifting an object from one place to another place. I hope you will understand what is meant by DC motor and how these are used in real-time application. Next video, we will bring a new topic. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.